Hi guys, today I'll show you how to do maintenance light reset in a Lexus CT200 2014. It's actually started from 2010 to 2017. First, what you have to check if your oil is been changed in a proper time and your tires was rotated or anything else. I know that Toyota do every 10,000 oil change, but the maintenance lights start to be on every 5,000. So in my case, I already just done the tire rotation and I check all my fluids and I can turn off the light. So for this procedure we need a key, car, home button and I will show you how to do it from this point. Okay. So click on the home button, on the power button, I'm sorry, twice. Just turn on your ignition. Do not press the brake pedal, just forgot about that. And see, here's a maintenance required and it shows you ODO. So in this case you should click in this button until it will say you trip A. Then easily turn off your car. Okay, and then you see it's switched back to ODO, and then click in this button and then this together, so twice, and wait until it will see it's flashing. Done. Until when it's all zeros, it's done. Again, you just turn off your car and then you can even start your car. So here's a pedal and start. No more lights, just the hood is open, but it's not related to your maintenance. So in this case, after you watch this video, please thumbs up, subscribe and leave me comments below the video if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.